Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to use left function, mid function, right function and concatenate function in Excel. Left function is used to get values from left of the text. Similarly, mid function is used to get values from mid of the text. And right function is used to get values from right of the text. And concatenate function is used to combine the text. Now I would like to show how to use these functions in Excel. First of all, I would like to delete formula which is already been used in this Excel. Okay. Now I have given some date in year, month and day format. I want to break year, month and days. For this I want to use left function, mid function and right function. To get years I want to use left function. Left in left, press tab and then select the text from where I want to use left function and then give comma and the number of character I want from left hand side of this cell value. That means I want 4 characters. It will result here from this date value. Okay, now I want to get month from this date. For this I should use mid function, then press tab and then select the text from where I want to get month, then press comma, then give number of character from where you want to use mid function. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6th value I want to use mid function and then press comma and then give number of characters you want from 6th character. That means I want 2 characters. Then bracket close and then press enter. It will result in month values. Okay, if I want this from this date function, I should use the right function. Then press tab and then select the text and give number of characters that I want from right hand side of this cell value. That means characters. Bracket close then enter. Okay, it will result in this. Okay, now I have broken this year, month and days date format into year, month and days. And now if I want to convert this broken date into original one, I should use concatenate function. To use concatenate function, I should press is equals to concatenate, concatenate, then press tab, then select text 1, text 2, comma, text 3, bracket close and then press enter. Okay, it has combined this year, month and days, but here date separator dash value is not appearing. For this we should give dash in between year and month and also in between month and days, comma, but it will not give us true result. Okay, because when using text in functions in Excel, we should always put text values within double inverted commas. Okay, double inverted comma. Okay, now press enter. It will give this year, month, days with date separator, and then I can copy paste these formulas. I can use this concatenate function by using and also. For this I should press is equals to select year, then give and, then month and days. Press enter. It has also combined this year, month and days, but I want dash value as date separator over here also. Okay, if I want date separator, then I should give and then dash value, but we should never forget to give double inverted comma while giving text values. Okay, and then and again double inverted comma dash double inverted comma enter. Okay, it will also give the same result. Okay. Now I have also given formulas how to use these functions in Excel. You can also take reference of these formulas also. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.